Hello, this is Kurt and welcome to Flying is Awesome. This video is going to show you the technique of how we can descend, which is not just only push your yacht forward. We are learning how to descend altitude at a constant heading, airspeed, and power setting with the aircraft in balance. In descent, we have three types. They are normal descent, cruise descent, and glide descent. Like a climb, we can describe descent performance as either rate of descent (ROD) or angle of descent (AOD). Rate of descent means that the altitude lost over the time and showing in feet per minute. For AOD, it is altitude lost over distance and shown as an angle. Let's see in the cockpit to take a look what is normal descent first. In normal descent, it provides a good compromise between the airspeed and ROD. We are having about 1500 RPM power setting with an RD of 500 FPM at 80 knots. In cruise descent, the power setting is about 2000 to 2300 RPM with a high speed descent with a typical ROD of 500 FPM. We will use a cruise descent to descend at a comfortable weight and maximum speed to arrive at destination faster. In glide descent, basically it is unpowered or idle power descent to maximize glide range. We fly at the angle of attack which gives the best lift-drag ratio about 68 knots. During descent, normally you will see your horizon cut through your windshield into two halves. The technique and method of descending is quite similar to climbing. We are also using PAT and ALAP in different stages of descending. Talking about the status, we start from a straight and level to entry a descent, then maintain a descent, and finally recovery to straight and level. Before to start my descent, I have to set a reference point. Let's say right now descent from 3,500 feet to 3,000 feet. Then I need to look out forward and below to make sure there's no other traffic. After that, I apply PAT technique, which is setting my descent power. Let's say I'm going to have a cruise descent. I pull my flight throttle to reduce the power to 2000 RPM, then I push the yacht forward to enter a descent to set the descent altitude, hold the ROD at around 500 FPM, and trim the aircraft. To maintain the descent like in climbing, we are using ALAP. Check the descent altitude, look out for traffic, check the altitude again, and check the aircraft performance, for example, maintaining the airspeed, heading, check the engine performance, engine temperature, and engine pressure. When closing to my altitude target, I prepare to exit the descent and recovery to straight and level. I anticipate the exit at 10% before the target altitude. Right now you can see my RD is 500 FPM, therefore I have to exit the descent at about 3050 feet just right now, and then I'm going to use the PAT again. I set my power for straight and level power, push the throttle to get 2300 RPM, and then pull the yoke to myself smoothly, and then also trim the aircraft for the straight and level. So that you can see I am holding smoothly my altitude at 3000 feet. For glide descent and normal descent, the methods are also the same, just the power setting are different. Just remember in normal descent the power setting we set to 1500 RPM, and for the glide descent we set to idle. If you forgot how to trim the aircraft or how to climb, you can check both videos here and here. And then if you like my video, you are also welcome to subscribe my channel. Flying is awesome, and see you in the next lesson.